Hello everybody, today is Thursday. We're gonna make some adjustments in the combines, preparing for harvest beans in January. That beans, if God bless us. So here we go. Fellows, now I'm gonna exchange some pieces right here in this rotor because now it's are set for harvest corn, but for beans I have to make different sittings, exchange some piece, exchange this. I don't know the name of this in English. Concave, I think. But it's the big job what I will do today with this combine. Then I have to prepare that another one, inside 4130. This one is 5150. I will spend 4 hours here, or less. I think 2 hours. I can done this one, and that other one we can done. I think 1 hour maybe. Here we go. Fellows, almost done. Maybe 1 hour and a half ahead. I can finish, but after lunch. Now it's midday. Time to eat something. So I have just few parts right here to exchange. In this part, I already done this. I have done this, and I just have to finish right here. Just some parts. This one I was exchange. A lot of job here with this machine. In my point of view, I prefer the old model, the old rotor AFX. That one is big one. Just few adjustments you can done. But this one, small tub, is a piece of shit. I prefer the old one. This one I have to exchange almost everything. Also I have to exchange this one. This concave. It's concave, I think. I have to say. But there we go. Hey fellows, this combine we done now. So for next week we have to put just grease and then exchange the head. We have to put the beans head. This head is corn head, and then wash a little bit outside. The small combine should be fixed next week.